Have you ever picked up an old coin and wondered if it could be worth more than just pocket change? You might be surprised to know that thousands of people discover valuable coins in their homes every single year. Maybe it is a coin passed down from your grandparents, something you found while cleaning, or a coin you have kept for years without realizing its true value. In this beginner's guide, we will walk step by step through how to find out exactly what your old coins might be worth. Before we dive deep, let us start with the most practical step, checking your coin's market value online. One of the best and easiest ways to do this is through the eBay website. eBay is not just a shopping site, it is one of the world's largest online marketplaces where collectors buy and sell coins every day. Go to eBay and type your coin's name in the search bar. For example, 1924 S. St. Gaudens $20 gold coin. Once the results appear, scroll down and select the Sold Listings filter. This section shows what other people have actually paid for the same coin, giving you a real-world idea of your coin's current market value. It is one of the most reliable ways to estimate how much your coin might sell for today. Now, let us talk about identification, the foundation of coin valuation. Every coin carries details that tell its story: the year, the mint mark, the country, and sometimes even hidden symbols or small variations that make it unique. These details can be crucial. Two coins with the same year can have completely different values depending on where they were minted. For instance, a coin marked with a D for Denver might be worth much less than the same coin marked with an S for San Francisco, because one might be rarer than the other. Always check for mint marks carefully, usually found near the date or on the reverse side of the coin. Next comes condition, also called grading in the collector's world. The better the condition, the higher the price. Collectors look at everything: shine, surface marks, scratches, edges, and clarity of the design. Even a small difference in condition can double or triple the value. A coin in mint or uncirculated condition, meaning it has not been used in transactions, can be worth 10 times more than one that has been in circulation. If you want to take it seriously, you can compare your coin with images online using grading scales from trusted sites like PCGS or NGC. You can also use professional coin price guides available online to compare your findings. Websites like PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service, and NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Company, are highly respected in the coin world. They offer price charts, rarity indexes, and even photos of certified coins. If you believe your coin might be rare or especially valuable, consider sending it to one of these companies for certification. They will inspect it, assign it a grade, and seal it in a tamper-proof case with an authenticity label. This process not only protects the coin, but also makes it easier to sell or auction in the future. Another great option is to visit a local coin shop or attend a coin show in your area. Meeting experienced collectors in person can help you understand the real-world demand for your coins. Sometimes, an expert eye can spot details or varieties that you might miss, such as a rare minting error or a special edition that significantly boosts value. And remember, coin values are not fixed. They change over time. Prices depend on the demand among collectors, the availability of similar coins, and even the current gold or silver rates. So it is a smart idea to stay updated by checking auction sites, collector forums, and coin value charts regularly. By following these steps, you can turn what seems like an old, forgotten coin into something truly valuable. You might even discover that a coin sitting in your drawer is worth hundreds or thousands of dollars. So take a few minutes today, gather your coins, inspect the dates, check eBay's sold listings, and compare what you find. Every coin has a story, and sometimes that story could be worth a fortune. Whether you are doing this for curiosity, history, or profit, learning to value your old coins is one of the most exciting and rewarding hobbies you can start right now. Tell us in the comments which coin you have. Who knows, you might inspire someone else to check their collection and find hidden treasure too.